In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a form on a Canva website with Jotform. We'll walk through the process step by step, starting in Jotform and then moving over to Canva. So by the end, you'll have your form fully embedded and ready for your visitors to use. First, open your browser and log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to find the specific form you want to embed on your Canva website. When you've located it, click on that form to open it inside the form builder. At the top of the form builder, you'll see a menu bar. Look for the option labeled Publish and click on it. This is where Jotform gives you different ways to share your form. By default, you should land on the Quick Share section. If for some reason you're not there, simply look at the left side panel and click on Quick Share to switch to that view. In the Quick Share area, you'll find a section called Share with Link. This is the direct URL that people can use to access your form. Click the button that says Copy Link. This copies the form's URL to your clipboard, and this is exactly what we'll need to embed the form inside Canva. Before you move on, it's a good idea to make sure any final changes to your form are saved, because whatever is live in Jotform is what will appear on your Canva site. Now let's switch over to Canva. Open your Canva website design in the Canva editor. This should be the website where you want the form to appear. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand panel. You'll see various options like templates, elements, and so on. Click on the option labeled Apps. When the Apps panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar, type the word Embed, and then press Enter on your keyboard. Canva will show you the Embed app. Click on that to select it. You'll now see a field where you can paste a link. This is where you'll paste the Jotform URL you copied earlier. Click in the field, paste the link, and confirm. Canva will start loading your Jotform directly inside the editor. Give it a moment to render. The form should appear as an embedded frame on your page. Once the form appears, you might notice that it's either too large or too small for your layout. You can adjust the size just like any other element in Canva. Click on the embedded form and then drag the corners or edges to resize it until it fits nicely within your design. You can also move it around the page to place it exactly where you want visitors to see it. After you're happy with the placement and size, make sure to save or publish your Canva website so the embedded Jotform is live. Your visitors will now be able to fill out the form directly on your Canva site without being redirected elsewhere.